2 3 minutes, sir. We can wait for another two
Sure,
three
sure.
minutes.
Definitely, definitely. और
Right, sir.
पाँच
Right,
मिनट
right, sir.
और 5 मिनट वेट करेंगे. We will wait for
Right,
five
sir.
minutes
Right,
so that
right, sir.
we can
Right,
start.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Right,
जी
sir.
sir.
Right. Okay, sir.
Kurna ji and Dr. Dinesh ji, welcome. Good afternoon.
यस सर सर वी कैन स्टार्ट जो भी लोग ज्वाइन करने वाले होंगे वो इन द मिड में ज्वाइन कर लेंगे मेरे ख्याल से
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
Sir,
आप बताइएगा.
please go ahead.
स्टार्ट कर दीजिए आप.
No, no, we can start, sir, now.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
अपने आप
Sir,
ज्वाइन.
namaskar. Yeah, firstly, I would like to welcome the respected team, governance head, and leader, and the team faculty members from Government Madhav Science College. And apart from that, we have the colleagues from the Cube Consulting Services who are being the part of giving the digital skill courses and digital modern day skills to the student community across the nation. So we have a team. I have a privilege of making this workshop happen through Dr. Kalpana ji from the Government Madhav Science College, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, and we have in collaboration, in association with Government Jawaharlal Nehru Smriti College, Shujalpur. So I would like to welcome the institution and the institutional head and the respected faculty members from different institutions of Madhya Pradesh. So I would like to know that I have got the information that around some 6 to 7 institutions faculty members from the institutional faculty members are joining from the Madhya Pradesh state. So we are very happy for having this workshop, and need of the our workshop on the digital skill courses, modern day skill courses connected to the modern day digital skills for the employability and entrepreneurship. So as a privilege of having Apex SDG being the connector in doing this. I would like to thank both the institutions, Dr. Arpan Bharadwaj ji from Madhya Pradesh, Professor Arpan Bharadwaj ji, principal, right now serving as the principal, Government Madhav Science College, Ujjain. We have to congratulate this institution for being an A++ grade accredited institution through NAC. And Professor Arpan Bharadwaj is ex-additional director to the higher education Ujjain division. And he served as the professor of chemistry. And he served as the professor of chemistry, specialization, organic chemistry, published more than 30 research papers, guided more than 20 research scholars, published books of national and international importance. And he is the member MP Higher Education Council. And in addition to that, he is also a member Central Board of Studies and Board of Studies of various universities. And he is an executive council member of the universities. So I would like to welcome sir to this workshop. Sir is there with the name Dr. Dinesh Kumar Verma. So sir, I would like to welcome you to this workshop.
Sir, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Yes. And with another guest we have, that is Professor Rajesh Kumar Sharma from Principal Government Jawaharlal Nehru Smriti College, Shujalpur, which is accredited with A grade through NAC. And he's a professor of mathematics, published more than 20 research papers, guided PhD scholars, published books of national and international importance. And member of various committees of higher education. I would like to welcome you, Rajesh Kumar Sharma ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. So, thank you, sir. It's a privilege to have you on board. Have you on board on this meeting today. We would like to proceed with. We have with us CEO and founding member of the organization Race High. Race High from Paris. He is joining now. Sir has joined. Mr. Rakesh Gunti, who was who was promoting the digital skills and doing the digitization, working on virtual infrastructure in the systems, and he was the member and worked with the digital skill organizations across several platforms across the globe. So I would like to welcome you, Mr. Rakesh ji, on board to connect with the institutions today.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
This is Rakesh Gunti. I'm CEO of Rekha, and I hope you guys are doing fine.
Yes. So I would like to welcome, another board members, Mr. Harish Pedigari, who was the founding member of the Cube Consulting Service from 15 years onwards. They were on board, connected with the placement services, and connected to the digital skill courses. They were in this channel, facilitating at least 10,000 plus students in the 15 years of time. So very happy to have you, Mr. Harish ji. I hope Harish ji is, yeah,
I
okay.
recommend professors and enriched people
Yes,
and enriched professors and doctorates. Good afternoon.
yes. Thank you. Next we have Sri Madhusudan Rao Garu joining, and he was there in the IT industry, and he was a data scientist, senior data scientist who was working with the HCL organization, an MNC organization, as a manager. Very happy to invite him to discuss on the digital skills, the modern day digital skills with all the
to grab the new opportunities across the globe. So I'm working in Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, which is located in Dubai. So I'm working from home. So initially, my if I want to explain my degrees and everything, like have started with engineering, a basic college. So I have gained a lot of knowledge. Initially, I was a telecom engineer, so where I have practiced to work with various equipment of telecom. My background is
yes,
from electronics and communications. Then have migrated to data science, data analyst, and data science. So I am here with the new technology, new era technology. Data science is not only a technology; it is a life, because everywhere, everything is about data these days. So if you
yes,
want me to
yes,
continue with our programs, what we are conducting with the Cube technologies, like even I am actually I give some sort of trainings with the Cube technology,
yes,
for orientation kind of things. So if you would like to go with the flow, I'll start my things, how the
yes,
technology is
yes,
growing and what are the things. So once again, good evening,
yeah,
audience. So I think these are the students from Ujjaini College, right? Ujjaini
yes,
Mahadev
yes.
Science College. So
Madhusudan ji,
yeah,
just sorry to interrupt you.
no problem.
So we will, yeah, we will have the words from Principal ji,
Sure,
and
sure,
we will start our next proceedings.
sure,
So
definitely.
yeah, so we will just an introduction. So these are the major players that we have got today, who are going to be the part. And I am Mr. Sudhir Kumar, so who was connected with Apex SDG as an advisor, and connected with several Apex SDG activities in working connected to the sustainability and skill promotions across the higher educational institutions and the nation. So I am very thankful to the for this platform to get connected, my dear friends, and my colleagues, and respected faculty members joining from the Madhya Pradesh. So we will, without taking much time, so I would like to, we would like to have a few words from Professor Arpan Bharadwaj ji regarding the digital skills, to bless us on this workshop, and to proceed further on this platform. Yes, Professor Arpan ji, please.
Thank you, Sudhir Kumar ji. I welcome you all on this virtual platform. Madhusudan ji, Harish ji, and everyone who has joined this event. And digitally, if one is strong digitally, if he knows all the techniques which are being used nowadays, he or she can survive in this world of competition and this world of technology. So, and to all of you who have this Cube technologies, and we have guests from HCL and we have guests from different partners. So, I thank you all, and I thank Dr. Kalpana Singh also to organize this wonderful event for Mother Science College and for Government College Shujalpur. They are also partner with us. They are also hosting this event in their institute for the benefit of their students. And as Dr. Singh has said that due to some reasons, as students do not have MS Team, they are listening to the event. They are watching the event through YouTube. So a large number of students are going to be benefited by this event, and all the faculty members also, they are very keen to learn all the things about all these things which are going on this platform now. So I once again I congratulate and thank you all for doing this favor for these two institutes, which are known for their good academic record and good things they are doing. So I thank you once again, Harish, Sudhir sir, and everyone. And I thank Dr. Kalpana Singh also. And I request you to please proceed with the program. Thank you so much.
Very thankful for that words, Arpanji. Thanks for that blessing to the workshop, and we will proceed further. Calling uh, Mr. Rakesh Gunti, Rakesh ji, yeah, to have a word to share his views on the based on his experience so far in the years connected to the digital skills and how it is helpful for the students on this knowledge. Yes, please. Rakesh ji, you are on mute. Yes, please.
Hello guys. Thank you so much for having me today. So this is Rakesh Gunti. I'm speaking from Paris, France, and so I'm a CEO of High Information Technology. I am pretty much interested in cloud, so I explored every single service of cloud. So part of that, I started my cloud company, and right now I'm providing service to education platform that virtual labs, virtual libraries, and virtual classes. So I wanted to ask you guys, what exactly do you guys think digital course is? Can I ask anyone from the college? Anyone can answer. What exactly digital course is? Hello.
Yeah, we can call out one name.
Okay,
Dr.
I'll go
Swati
with
ji is there.
okay.
Naveen ji is
Anita,
there. Yes.
Anita Parmar, can I ask you a question? Hello, hello.
Yeah.
So
Rakesh ji is
I'll go.
audible
I'll
to
go. I'll
everyone.
go. No, never mind.
Yeah,
I'll go. I'll go. So, some people think digital course is something we learn in 3 months, 3 months, and crack the job. So it's not how it works. So that's not how it works. So matter of fact, we can learn, we can explore all the services, and digital course is something which resonates their passion and their interest. Some they have a habit of playing the game. So, but I ask a lot of people, why don't you turn your habit to passion? So, a lot of gamers from the characters, they try decoding the code, and they try building a new game. So, I ask every single person, just try your habit to passion. So I am here to promote the entrepreneurship. So there are some people who are interested in their father's business, so they look up to some e-commerce business. So some they look up to warehouse. So when it comes to clothing brand, why don't you work? Why don't you learn? Why don't you learn digital skills, some digital skills, and start your e-commerce business? So some have a warehouse. So why don't you learn SAP course like there's a tool like EWM, Embedded Warehouse Management. Why don't you learn that course and start your own warehouse? Uh, so I'll pass it on to my colleague Madhusudan to take part of it.
Thank you,
Yes.
Rakesh.
Thanks for that words, Rakesh ji. But I hope there was some missing in the voice. I feel that. Kalpana ji,
Yeah,
did you
yeah,
feel that?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
there was a
Voice
gap with the yeah, gap was
Yes,
there.
yes, yes.
Maybe due to the network issue,
Yeah,
might
yeah,
be.
yeah.
network
yeah.
issue.
So,
Yes, yes. But sir has put a light on what is the importance on the digital skills. We have understood, sir. I have got it. And just to pass on, it is the just initiation. So we shall move ahead with the words and more inputs from final inputs from Madhusudan ji. Madhusudan ji, over to you, please.
Uh, Thank you, Sudhir. Thank you. See, first, I would like to talk about digital. What is digital exactly? What is happening in the today's market? Like where we are and where we need to go, and where the market is going on, where the opportunities are going to be evolved, right? So, initially, we are at the digital era. So, people say is like in the recession, we'll be losing jobs. There will be lack of opportunities and all. No, every recession will bring new opportunities in terms of now we are in the digital era, so we have lot more things. Plenty of new jobs have come up based upon digital things. See, in initial days when we go to the supermarket or a grocery store, no one used to collect the data. But now when we go to the supermarket, they are collecting the data. They are asking the mobile number. Based on mobile number, what they are looking at the patterns of shopping or how we are shopping everywhere, wherever you go to the big malls, big restaurants, everywhere they are asking for your mobile number. Otherwise, they send you some discount coupons, or they might send you some new stuff has come to the shop. So this how they are doing. So in going forward, we will be completely digitized. I mean to say, Pradhan Mantri ji, Narendra Modi ji is also talking about much more about the digitization, and they are trying to bring up the digital currency, so that when digital currency come up, right, where the money is going, monetization is also will be there. Digitization is bringing new opportunities to the market, like cyber security. Before we used to listen about system antivirus and system securities, but now security is everywhere. So this is also one of the digital technology. Digital marketing has to completely different phase now. Initially the marketing was like they used to give on TV advertisements, or big hoardings nearby streets somewhere. But now everything they are reaching out their mobile, because mobile has become a digital box where we are continuously, like we are spending most of the time on mobile. So we are getting different types of ads when we are watching YouTube's or some other movies or some other things. Like when we choose a Hotstar, for example, for the membership kind of thing, there are three different types of memberships in Hotstar. But for somehow for the basic version, they will give you advertisement, same as in the YouTube. So in Instagrams, we see the influencers. What does the influencers do? They promote the digital marketing over there. So even by that also they are earning. So we are completely into the digital era because we are the engineering graduates and science graduates. So we want to pursue our career in digital mode only. So going forward, everything will be cloud based and data based and cyber security based. So this is how the technology will drive you. And I want to tell you what Cube is offering, why Cube, what Cube has done uh, in the past, present, and future. So we'll see about it. So let me share my screen. So I think you are able to see my screen. So Cube services, I mean to say Cube consulting services. So we provide trainings, basically online trainings, offline trainings, and we do provide the opportunities. Like we are collaborated with some of the companies in the market. So I mean to say Cube is collaborated with some of the companies in the market. They get the openings. They are bridging between the companies and the students, so that they can collaborate and they can get their work done. So here in Cube, so we are offering the Cube is offering online services and offline services as well, and career guidance, and how to build your resume. The most important thing is building a resume. Without a profile, no one will accept you in the market, because the profile will tell you about yourself. The same way, where I am projecting the Cube as my profile over here so that you can see the face of the cube. So you will understand where is the cube and what is the cube is doing. Our mission is like we are a edutech company. We want to bridge the skill gap between the students and the company. So there is a lot of skill gap. Like you will learn everything in the college, but when come to the real time scenario, the things will be different. Because when you go to the real time, there will be the technology gap will be there. See the tools what we are using. See, initially we used to use Excels for the projection of data and all those things, but now the tool we have Power BI, Tableau. There are so many business intelligence tools where we project the data so that they can see in a visual mode. Okay, so the mission of our organization is to empower individuals and organization by providing high quality and practical training that fosters continuous learning and the professional growth. Our vision to cultivate the thrive globally learning community, which individuals and organization collaboration and innovate and continuously evolve through the transformation education. So this how we are spreading our legs throughout the globe. We want to be around the globe. So our goals. So we want to empower the skill development, innovative learning solutions, building future leaders. So here we can say innovative learning solution means what? So innovative learning solutions is like a practical and the live things we need to be there, because without the live things we cannot learn the technology what is happening in the real time. See, we might take the some company data or some company information and we will be working on it, but that not give the life to our projects what we are doing. The projects will give life is the real time one. So here some startup companies are also associated with us. So these companies will bring up like internship kind of things for us. So we will be joining our students, whoever is getting trained with us and who are subscribing to our models and all, who is completing the course and successful certifications. They'll be having an opportunity with the startup companies or whichever the companies have the pool of interviews or internships. So our milestones, what we have achieved into 2019, 2020, 22, 23, and 25. So we have done almost 1250 trainings last year. So the placements we have done 1000 plus offered offline and online trainings and projects also. So here before 2020 we were the newborn baby because we were also startup company. It's a edtech company which is a startup company. After that we were in the pandemic, so we like everything was going online, because on 2019 people were very little comfortable on online programs. But after 2020 there is a big change in the technology, because people started adopting new changes in the market, like listening to classes online rather than going to the institutions, because there will be working professionals as well as new students. So they offer live trainings also, live trainings in the sense online trainings. So here you can save a lot of time. You can put that time into your practicals and you can master the things in live trainings. What I suggest, offline, definitely offline will be there. There will be a human touch with the offline, but the online trainings, which is our, which is very close to our digital technologies, because where we can learn more stuff and the people can connect throughout the globe. That is our belief in online studies. So we have milestones for 24 and 25. We are planning to complete around 3500 to 4000 students trainings this year. So hopefully we have started with good numbers this year, and we are proceeding with the good institutions. Here we based out in Hyderabad and Bangalore. So we are trying to reach out most of the institutions. Like we give corporate trainings also. So different companies with different trainers. So this is how our trainings and all these things are going on. So let's see what are the technologies we have and which are running in the market, which are going to come, and what are the courses for what we are offering, the Cube is offering. So the offered courses of our services. See, SAP, SAP PP, all the modules of SAP mostly we are supporting. Salesforce, which has the huge demand in the market. Salesforce is also one of the cloud platform. SAP is also a cloud platform. Long back, SAP has a very big story. They have captured the market with a different case, and they are the oldest cloud company. What I feel, because they have the integration everywhere. They have integrated to FICO, PIPO, HCM, everything they are integrated already. Cloud is nothing but integrating and storing the data in the data warehouses. Like we have different warehouses. Okay, that is not the topic. We'll discuss some other time on that. So cyber security. So providing security to the data. Data is the most important thing. See, nowadays, if we want to run a generator, uh, we have a windmills. Okay, we are storing the data. I mean to say, storing the electricity. Windmills, what they do, they run based on wings. Like wind is blowing, the wings will rotate. The mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. So that energy is stored in somewhere. So there will be a storage kind of thing. So how that is triggered? But triggered based upon a button, there will be a software keys, all these things will be given, and the cyber security person will give a security to that, so that this will function only based on the particular company or particular person who has the action to do on that. Because there are some threats are going to happen, because some other people will definitely breach the security and these kind of things happen. For example, we can see phishing in the banking domain. Most of the people do. We are almost listening to it. Phishing is happening with everyone. Someone will call you and they'll ask you about we are offering some part-time jobs, give me your complete details. After working for 10 or 15 days, they get absconding, and they'll ask you to send the money to their accounts. This kind of activity will happen, are happening in the market. Still the banks are trying to protect the people, because people doesn't most of the people does not have the banking knowledge properly, how to use and what to use. Because whenever they are going everywhere, like in malls or some other places, people are thefting the data. Because of thefting the data, only this kind of phishings will happen. In the mobile itself, we are installing unauthorized apps. Based on that also, we are sharing the data to every company. There will be a protectives in our mobile itself, but we have to use such kind of things, then only we can protect the data. This is the most important thing. Data science, as you know, everyone knows, like we are listening data science, data science, data science. So what is data science? I'll tell you a bit brief about it, like bit brief. We can discuss about it. What skills we required and what skills we need to analyze it. So people think what is data science means, like it's combination of data and technology. That is true. So here, initially we need to know statistics. Statistics are the backbone of data science. If we have good knowledge of statistics and small aggregations, then we are good to go with data science. Because statistics stands, because statistics in the sense, we in the school days or in the college days, we work on the pattern of data. Initially we might studied about mean, median, mode, such kind of things in our college days. Here in the data science, we'll study with the larger data, larger size of data, with lakhs of data. So here the primary skill is such statistics we need to learn. So we need to learn Python, we need to learn SQL. If we have these three skills, right, we can succeed in data science. So here algorithms, people will speak about algorithms. There are different algorithms. Yes, that algorithms will be developed by someone, but we will use that algorithms in our projects where we are going to work on data science. Here again we have a Power BI. Power BI is a tool uh, where we can project the data in visualization way. So we can see data, what is the achievement, what see, initially people prepare company audit based in PPT, PowerPoint presentation. But here in the Power BI, not only Power BI, there are some other tools also. Tableau, Cognos, uh, IQBE. It's a different company has a different own tools. But in the market, as per the Gartner, Power BI and Tableau has occupied the top place in the market. So mostly people are using Power BI and Tableau. So in Power BI, where we have ETL in the sense the data storage. So we bring the data to the ETL level, we clean up the data, We have something like ETL is like extract, transform, and load. We clean up the data when we push to uh, develop the reports. Over there, we work on different DAX functionalities. We see different types of relationships. How we will be having different kind of tables. See here, data is nothing but a tables, different types of tables, which have the customer table, which have the sales table, which have the country table, which have the different tables we will be having. So we will be working with all these tables together, and we'll do the visualization. So visualization talk live thing, because every day the data is pushed in the SQL DBs or somewhere. So here we need a primary three skills again here. So one is Power BI. This is the primary skill. Then we need SQL. These two are the mandatory skills what we require for Power BI. We can learn Python also. Based on Python, we will do some sort of data engineering activities. So digital marketing, I already told about the digital marketing, how this is evolving. So digital marketing is not only for working in a certain company, like you are looking for the opportunity. It is not in that terms also. You can start your own digital agency where you can give your digital services. So digital marketing is something is different level in the market. So app developments, we have different tools for the app developments. PHP, the old technology, but we need the basics. Flutter, WordPress. WordPress is nothing but which comes under digital marketing only. So what happens in the WordPress, without help of any coding, we can develop the websites. This kind of things will happen. So DevOps is nothing but a cloud again, Azure cloud, AWS cloud, Oracle cloud, all this comes into it. So we are going to train you almost, we have this many modules. We have 1,000+ courses in the market for with the digital era. So you can choose your own course and you can work on it. Like most of the students who are interested, right, they will approach different types of courses because people have different mindset and different things. So we offer 1,000+ courses. So offline, online, and we give video sessions like mentoring, what we say mentoring. Different students will have a different perspectives on different sort of courses. We do mentoring them. We have a team who mentor them. Like individually, they can come in the group also. So we are ready to answer their questions if they are ready to learn the new era technologies. So we will be providing the online softwares where they can do the practice whenever the trainer says, right. So based upon that, they have to practice and learn the skills. So these are our collaborations. So we have collaborated with some colleges, with different cities, and with different companies, different labs, all these things. So you can see this. So we have associated with Capgemini, Cognizant, 15 plus MNCs, product development, and all these things we have. Uh, I would like to conclude this uh, our session. So thank you for giving me this opportunity and explaining me all the products what Cube Consultancy is providing here. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's over to you, Rakesh.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Madhusudan. Thanks for saying it. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry so much. I was having an internet issue earlier.
Yes, thank you, Madhusudan Garu, for giving us an opportunity to learn several different digital courses that were available. Can you, am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
you are
yes, yes.
audible to
Okay.
everyone. So
Yes,
the Harish and Rakesh will send you the different courses list also, so that you can go through those topics and all. If you want, they can share you the curriculums and everything. So you can be in touch with Harish and Rakesh. They will support you all the time because they are into edutech companies, right?
sure, definitely. So we can see here. I hope we have respected faculty members from various institutions. I suppose some 5 institutions they are joining. So, respected faculty teams, any clarifications that you have, we have Madhusudan ji with us. I would like you to raise any questions that you have related to this usage, their placements in different organizations connected to the students. You can ask the questions related to that. I would like to welcome you to utilize this opportunity and have his expertise saying to you. Kalpana ji.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually,
Any,
yeah, I only have one submission actually, not the confusion, but one
yes.
submission that whatever Madhusudan ji was telling, there were actually number of courses he was talking about and collaborations and all that. And he at length described many things. I just want that if e-brochure can be made available about all these things, whatever he said, will be circulating it to students, because what I have seen that students they just discuss among themselves, and they talk a lot about all these issues, and then they can decide on then what is good for them and what is not, and then many afterthoughts are there. So I want that if possible, we if it is possible, then we must have a brochure for all these things. So I'll circulate it to the students and they can just go ahead.
Yeah,
Sure,
ma'am, we
definitely,
do
ma'am.
have a broker to send. It's good to have a engaging conversation in between them, in between students. They can engage in conversation with the guy next to discuss about the courses.
Yes, definitely, ma'am. We will share that. I hope they have shared a brochure with me
Okay.
with a registration link. Any
Okay.
student can register the courses, skill courses. These are skill courses on the real time projects they give.
So, and what about evaluation mechanism? Is there any evaluation after these courses once this course is being completed by the student?
Of course, we do have a evaluation system. We give like a certification, because after completion of the training, there will be an examination and mock interviews. See, here we are not directly keeping an examination and taking the result outcome. See, some might very good at oral, some might be very good at writing, right? So we will be taking a test as well as a mock interview, so that where the student stands, like the mock interview gives them a confidence, like of what I am doing up to the mark or not. If he's 70%, 80%, that kind of test will be done. Mock interviews will be in a group, or else in individually it will be. So mock interviews are mandatory thing these days. So without mock interviews, evaluation cannot be done, because then only a trainer will understand how much he has gained. See, this is not a school or college like where students are hundreds and thousands are sitting together and learning the things. We trainers has to put a concentration on each and every student, how they are doing, and they are into the class or not. All these things are very much important for us, because then if we are not doing such activity, the quality will be worst. We have to do that activities. We kept it as a mandatory for students. This mock interviews, we completely depend upon mock interviews and a test. Test would be some theoretical questions will be there. That will not. We cannot judge a student based upon a theoretical examination. Wherever the calculation part is required, we'll look into it. What they are doing and what not they are doing.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Deepak ji. Deepak ji, you have switched on your mic. Deepak ji, you have any question? Deepak ji,
Yes, sir.
any question that you have
No, sir.
that you would like to raise? Yes. Okay. So yeah, I hope we have got Dr. Deepika ji, Deepika Pathak. Dr. Swati ji, any questions that you'd like to share, that you'd like to ask Madhusudan ji regarding the digital skill courses?
Okay, and one more thing I have in my mind, that when a student is just opting for these skill courses, are there any practice sessions also which you are providing? And
See,
all these courses are in synchronous and asynchronous mode, like NPTEL, or they are in asynchronous mode only?
Will be clearing doubts of student and all things actually.
one more thing I want to add to it. See, here they are opting for the special trainings. These are the special trainings what they are opting for the job purpose and the skill purpose, right? So once the session is done, they have to do the practice whatever, because these technologies are like, the practical labs are not required. If they have the laptop and 48 GB of RAM and 500 GB of hard disk is more than enough to run the digital softwares on their on systems. Like once the session is done, they have to do the practice of that session each and every day. The lab is not separate thing over here. They have to do mandatory as a job. They have to think as a job. Trainer is teaching them. They have to practice it. This is how it works. Lab, some other day there will be a lab, some other day there will be something. That kind of situation will not be there. So whatever the trainer teaches, they have to they have to practice it. Then only they will learn. This is for themselves to see. They have to do the productivity in the right. They have to be productive. Like tomorrow when they are out of college, right? When they are working, they have to be productive. Like, I could not do that practice. Every day they have to do the practice. Then only they can learn the things. They can master the things. If not, they cannot master the things. Uh, am I correct, Kalpana ji?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, if any more questions, Dr. Dinesh ji, yeah, we will have some more words from Rajesh ji. Rajesh ji is there, ma'am? I hope Professor Rajesh ji is not there now.
He was there, but now I don't know he's here or not.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. Sudhir ji. I want to tell one
Yes,
thing. Like, if you have any queries, you can drop a mail, like on Cube Services. So we will answer it personally. Like if individually they have any issues, we'll definitely support them on email or chat. So everything is okay. Will bring up on the WhatsApp also. We can communicate. We can be a team and work for the progress of the students. So if you have not only online, if you have any question offline after this session also, you can reach out us to our email ID. What we have, we'll definitely answer your questions, and we want to be collaborated with you.
yes, yes. Definitely, it was noted, Madhusudan ji. I request Kalpana ji and the other respected faculty members to share the registration form. The students, for the benefit of the students, you can share this registration form to the students. This is a
Okay.
simple registration form. Who are interested in the real practical digital skill courses can get connected here through this link. I have shared it. We have shared it on the chat box. You can see it on the chat box. That form is there. I am sharing it once again. The students can register through this form. So the Cube Consulting service will be getting back to them. So we'll follow up with them. Will help on them. I would like to request Harish ji to share the views on the different methodologies on how you take the students.
Actually, we have
What is
two
yes,
versions
please.
actually. Version one is 799. That is 800 rupees. For 800 rupees, they will get almost 1000 plus courses actually. 1000 plus courses are you already know, right? Just a second. Yeah, coming here. Can you see my screen, everyone? You can see my
Yes, we
screen,
can
right?
see that.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Version 1 is 799. For 799, they will get all the courses, around 1000 plus courses. That is almost all are recorded sessions only. Totally recorded sessions only. If they need live sessions, we'll charge 149. That is so 2000 or 20,000 rupees per course actually. For live sessions, we'll charge 20,000 rupees per course. It will be having 60 plus hours of hours of course, and also we'll be conducting 3 mock interviews and 3 live tests, and also we'll be sending to interviews and also internships also. For interviews and internship, we'll get for 2 versions actually. Every month they'll get interview details where whenever the companies started interviewing, we'll be sending the details of that companies also, and we'll be supporting for 1 year for interviews actually.
So,
See,
yes,
I want to add
yes.
something to it, Mr. Sudhir. Harish, do one thing, send them a proposal,
Please.
make them a proposal, send them so that the lecturer or a professor or a principal will put them in the notice board, or they will circulate in the classroom so that they will understand, because this might skip, because see, documenting is the most important thing. There will be a lot
Yes,
of clarity between us
yes,
and the college. So try to bring up documentation, put the things like what you're offering in for 899 or 20,000, what you are offering, just make them a proposal and send them to the institution. That would be the better approach.
yeah,
uh,
okay, okay,
is
okay,
that
sir.
okay, Sudhir? Is that fine? I'm
Yes,
not able
yes,
to
yes.
get back to you.
So we have, so this has been circulated for the students. So for having the basic idea for the students on the available digital skill courses, we have organized this. We are very happy to have this platform with the help of Dr. Kalpana ji. You can see with the help of the government Madhav Science College and the institutions from the Madhya Pradesh who are joining with us now. So if any other questions that we have before the vote of thanks by Dr. Kalpana ji, we would like to have some more questions, if any possible. We would like to get the questions, and so that will be helpful brainstorming, so that you can help us in connecting with the for the institution's benefit. Yes, I can see Pirulal Suryavanshi. Any questions that you have? Pirulal Suryavanshi.
No question, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, if any questions are there, you can drop an email to us, uh, and you can also note down my email ID. That is this is I have shared in my this one. Yeah, so you can note it down. So yeah, we can move forward. I hope, just let me know. Can we have a picture, all of us together, if it is possible, all faculty members, and so that this will be an initiating, promoting the digital skill courses among the students. I would like to welcome respected faculty members. Before we go for the vote of thanks, I would like to have the we can as a collaborative moment, that we are facilitating the institutions for the digital skill courses. We can have the picture, so that that will be helpful for our documentation and your documentation also. So yes,
We,
Rajesh Kumar ji, Raj Kumar ji.
we can just switch on, all of us can switch on our camera for a minute and then we can just have a picture.
Yes. So I can see Dr. Tushar Yadav ji. I can see Rajesh Kumar Sharma ji. Namaskar, sir.
Yes, sir. Rajesh sir has joined now. You were asking for his words, so if
Yes, yes,
he can say a few, one or two words, most welcome, sir.
yes. Sir,
Sure.
we are actually asking them to switch on their videos. We would like to hear from you, sir, on the digital skill courses.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Rajesh ji.
Yes. I am joining here. I am on the way at this time, so that I um, switch off my mic and the camera also. So, but
Sure, sure.
totally I joined your session. It is very useful and benefited to our institution and our student also. So I thank you very much
Yes,
for
yes.
this session.
Okay. So, yeah, Rajkumar ji. Rajkumar ji, please switch on your video. Dr. BK Tyagi ji, Dr. Shweta ji, Dr. Ayushi ji. You can switch on your videos so that we will have a full picture of total faces on with us, and we will be sharing it in our LinkedIn profile. We will be updating it, and this will be helpful for your documentation with the institution also. I hope Vijendra ji, Dr. Sneha ji, Anamika ji, Anita Parmar ji, Chetar Singh ji. So I hope we have got the high number of faculty members today. This is all because of the interest that you have for facilitating the students in their respective careers. So yeah, with that, I hope we can go for the. There was,
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
hope there was a network issue with the faculty teams. We can see some 7 to 8 cameras on. So if some more would have been there, it will be a block, total block that we can see all together. So yeah, large gallery. Yes, we have got it. So I can see respected team. Oh yes. Can you hear me, ma'am? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are perfectly audible.
Yes. So I hope everyone can share the link to the students so that they register, and we will be facilitating, our team will be facilitating in the digital skill courses, modern day skill courses that were available with us, and we will be facilitating them. We have given our email IDs. You can get connected with us, and I have taken the picture. Kalpana ma'am, you can take the picture also, because
Yes,
here.
sir. I have considered, sir. We'll be sharing on our social media platforms. College will be sharing it
Yes,
today on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, sir.
sure, definitely. So
Yes.
with that, we would like to have a few words from Dr. Karpana ji. I would like to welcome her to give the vote of thanks to the respected members, principals, and respective faculty members, and the senior members who are contributing to the digital of the nation. I would like to welcome Dr. Kalpana ma'am to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you
Please,
very
ma'am.
much, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to say a few words and to connect with the dignitaries present over here today. First of all, I will say that this skill development is not a thing which is new to us in the sense that when we when we incorporated NEP 2020 in our syllabi from session 2021-22, actually skill development came there, and skill development was an issue which was prominently like addressed in the new education policy. And our Madhya Pradesh is the first state in the country to just we have just adopted and we have implemented new education policy 2020. So now it's a matter of privilege for us that whatever government has said in the form of new education policy 2020, we are we have started to think on those lines in a more practical way and in a more I can say that in a more relaxed and fruitful way. Because when you were talking about, I could make out that students even in their own flexible time, in their own flexible settings, in their in the asynchronous mode, they can opt for these courses. Because I have seen that particularly from this area from which Madhya Pradesh we come, and in the sense of this Hindi heart belt of India, which is Madhya Pradesh, UP, Rajasthan, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, I have seen that the students basically they come from socially and economically challenged background, and when these students are economically and socially challenged, they do want to do many things, but actually they have a routine to follow. Many students are doing some jobs also. So in that condition, this becomes very important for them that they can pursue a course, that too in their flexible timings. They can pursue a course while sitting in the evening in their homes or after doing their whatever work they are doing whenever they get time. So it was a wonderful day. It was a wonderful workshop which was being organized here. So for this workshop, I would just like, first of all, I would like to thank Professor Arpan Bharadwaj ji and Professor Rajesh Kumar Sharma ji for giving us this opportunity, because this type of inspiration comes from leadership only. When leadership is such that they permit us, they allow us to go a step ahead, only then this is possible. So thank you very much, Bharadwaj sir. Thank you very much, Rajesh Kumar Sharma sir, for giving this opportunity to both the colleges. Then I would like to thank Shri Sudhir Kumar ji from Apex SDG, because it was never possible without his inspiration and without his motivation. Actually, he did take the first step, he did connect, and he did say that we should do all these things. So it's an outstanding thing, sir, which you are doing for the benefit of these youngsters. I would also like to thank the faculty from Mother Science College Ujjain, from Shujalpur, JNS PG College Shujalpur, and the other colleges who have connected with us. IQAC coordinator Tyagi sir, I can see here. So I would just like to thank all these faculty from this platform hosted by us, jointly hosted by Mother Science College Ujjain and Shujalpur College. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much all the faculties from being here, because you are the torch bearers. Basically, you will inspire students. I know that this inspiration lies in your hands. So thank you very much for being with us. I would like to thank Harish ji, Madhusudan ji, Rakesh Kunti ji, and Cube Technology in particular for just bringing this beautiful collaboration, for bringing in this bouquet of activities, bouquet of courses here, so that we can go ahead with this type of things. So thank you very much. I would
Thank you,
like
ma'am.
to thank Department of Higher Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh, last but not least, because this all is possible only under the able guidance of Department of Higher Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh, that we could implement NEP 2020 and we could move ahead with all these types of courses. The link which is given by you has already been shared by our training and placement officer, Professor Hitesh Vani, in all the groups. So he has also joined. Our TPO Professor Hitesh Vani has also joined with us. So he has already shared the link and will be taking this ahead. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Namaskar. now we formally go ahead uh, and we would like to have more such kind of workshops in the later stages for the benefit of the higher educational institutions. I would like to thank at last Government of Madhya Pradesh for supporting such kind of initiatives and the respected stakeholders having this happen today. Yes, thank you all. Please
Thank you.
be connected. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you a lot.